right, this is a large canvas, so I'm in my dining room. It's a 22 by 28, and I have a lot of colors picked out. They're all ready to pour, they're all mixed, and I don't have to mix anything. All I have to do is pour. So I have an idea. I was inspired by certain colors, and actually I was inspired by these colors here. And I just grabbed all these paints from the other room, and I'm not sure I'm going to use all of them, but I am going to just play. I'm going to have fun with some sort of blending on these colors. And so this one is Artists Loft. It's Aqua green. Take that off. And there's not much left in it, but I do have another one. So let's just finish this one off. So I'm going to do a combination of things. This is a silicone tool that I use for swiping. You know what? I might use this instead for the bigger one. Gonna use different kind of swipes. I'm gonna wet some paper towels. Here. Bet you're wondering what I'm going to do here. Me too. Let's have a look at this close up so you can see, because I know you can't see too well, huh? Here it is. And I rather love the reactions that happened in here. The lacing, the cells. It's, I mean, we've got really nice flows going on. It's the upper part. And I think I got all the colors I wanted except for like a maroon color. I'm gonna let this sit for a while and see if I even want to add that color, because this came out so lovely. I don't really want to do much more, I think. I'll see. All right, so I'm looking this over, and I do want to, this is a little lost here, so I am going to do something else here. Now we have this. Let's see if I can hold it up at the top and come down so you could see the close up here. From the bottom, it looks like a feather. Anyway, beautiful lacing and cells and motion. Look at this motion. I rather love the flow of this piece. That color looks dark when I hold it up, but it's actually quite a nice contrast in there. So I added it in the middle as well. Okay. I'll leave that alone for a while. Maybe for good, who knows? It's only been a couple minutes and I'm losing a lot of the color and lacing here because I think there's just too much paint on here. So I think I'm just going to tilt the canvas. I really like this, but I think I'm going to lose it. Just keep playing with it till you like it. I've really avoided this because of the lacing that I love. Yeah, I had too much paint and it just had to be blown out. I put too much on there. But, and I lost a lot of the nice lacing and cells because I had to blow it out. I hope they come back. I did avoid the middle as much as I could so that I could keep that part. But still a lot of cells, even though I blew it out for the umpteenth time. And I lost a lot of that color. It's still in there a little bit. But let's see how how this moves in the next 30 minutes.